It brought me down to like 5 FPS. Nice.
I'm at 20 FPS.
Yo, dude, I'm only halfway up the fucking thing, and everybody's like...
And then there's just those fucking people that are already gone.
I'm in 4th.
I'm in 4th. I'm in 6th now. I'm recording and I'm lagging like shit. I'm at 20 FPS.
So am I, actually. I went through all the fucking hay bales. So 20 FPS and I'm not fucking recording.
I'm at 20 FPS and I'm recording. As I'm in last place. Dude, I fucking can't play with lag.
Neither can I.
Well, you're playing with it right now.
Yeah, I know, and I left. Oh, no, I didn't. No. I'm an ace.
I'm an 8th, it says.
I just not lagging now because I'm all by myself.
Is you're still catching up to me?
It is actually not lagging now because I'm not around anybody.
Oh, I just did that quad, nice.
I don't like doing that quad.
I love how everyone else has controllers and we just don't.
You can't compete playing on a keyboard.
Especially against people that are amazing. Oh, the finish line fireworks just went off. I heard them.
Yeah, I know.
That's fucking crazy. Wonder who came in first.
I doubt it was yellow.
Definitely wasn't yellow. He sucks. I mean, he's good, but...
Yeah, I can. I want to get a game computer pretty bad.
Buy mine.
Yo, you know what? I would, but I'm not going to. Yeah, man, I'm gonna record with the Xbox One because I got swag. I'm gonna record like 210-minute videos. Or I actually did the quad, but it's going hardcore slow motion. Fucking mega screwed.
Yo, look at no UG.
Yellow got 3rd. I'm not playing with that much